I'm so embarrassed. Here I show you how to make this. And I come to work on it, and the cover just peeled right off. The glue is on here, but it did not stick on this vinyl or whatever this is. This is the glue that I used for sticking it on this vinyl, and it worked fine for paper to paper, paper to fabric. That is no problem, but for this, whatever this is, vinyl, plastic, whatever it is, does not stick. So what I'm going to do is do a testing of different glues on this surface, and then to take it one step further, I'm going to test these glues paper to paper, typing paper or copy paper to scrapbook paper. Now I've removed the cover material, and I've glued down little test strips of scrapbook paper using these different glues. I've got the hot glue gun, and then some rubber cement, and then Elmer's Craft Bond, Fluid Matte Medium, the Clear Gel Tacky Glue, Crafter's Pick, and then also E6000. So we'll see how this does. We'll wait for a while and let it dry. Okay, here we go. We're going to test these strips now and see which ones worked and which ones didn't. Start with the rubber cement. Well, that came off pretty easy. Came off. Okay. Craft Bond. Well, that came off real easy. Fluid Matte Medium. Came off. Tacky Glue. Right off. The Ultimate. That sticks pretty good. The Ultimate sticks. E6000. That kind of damaged the vinyl, or no, maybe it probably needs to stick on there. Like, that's not damaged the vinyl, that just didn't set up long enough. So that probably takes 24 hours to glue. So nobody wants to wait that long. Okay, then the other one is the hot glue. And that hot glue will stick on this. Okay, so there you go. Looks like my pick would be Crafter's Pick, the Ultimate. I've divided this paper into 6, and in each section I'm gluing down this variety of different papers, scrapbook papers, magazine papers, a variety of shapes. I've got some copy paper where I printed out some photographs, a variety of different shapes and papers down on these pages using the different glues, and I'll show you the glues at the end of the video. But I'm gluing them down in a random order and just testing out these different glues. Okay, here are my results. Now the Elmer's rubber cement was the flattest of all these, and that's because when you dry mount things, you paint both sides and let them dry and then stick them together. So it's really always sort of flat. The next one, the Fine Line, did a pretty good job keeping flat and gluing things together. So, but I think it's just for paper and paper. The Ultimate did a pretty good job, and it didn't warp very much, so I'd say that's a pretty good thing to use for scrapbooking and paper to paper. The Clear Gel Tacky Glue also did a really good job on gluing things together and keeping it pretty flat. Craft Bond, Elmer's Craft Bond, did a little more warping than the other ones, and so did the Golden Fluid Matte Medium. They were the ones that warped the most. So here you see some of the warping papers, and now I'll show you my results. Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky Glue was the best in my opinion. And I've ranked these as far as ease of application, the cost per ounce, the drying time, and the warping factor. So you can take a look at these and decide for yourself which one works best for you, because some might be better for certain applications, others might be better for others. So I like some of these glues for different reasons, and you can make your own decision depending on your project. So thanks for watching.